guys, welcome to the tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing the command prompt. What is the command prompt? The command prompt is basically a program that calls whatever you want. Like, if you type in certain things, it'll send a call or a command to do what you type in. It usually operates around batch files or .bats and stuff like that. We're going to be talking about in this episode basic usage. There's some things you can do in the command prompt, like here I'm going to give you some examples. This right here is called the echo. It shows you where you're getting your information from, where are you calling things from. If you would like that to be removed, just simply type @echo off and then press enter. And when you come down a line, you can tell that there's not one there, but it still hasn't removed it because you're still in the commands. If you would like to completely remove everything after typing @echo off, including all of this, just simply type CLS and then press enter. And see, it gives you a clear screen. Now, if you did something wrong, like if you forgot to type echo off first, it'll look like this. It'll show a blank screen, the Microsoft thing will be taken off, but all it will show is this. So just remember, @echo off. CLS. And look, you have your blank screen. So that's a basic command prompt action right there. Another thing that people can do or figure out there if they're a little bit confused, pretty sure if you type in help, it'll give you, if you type in help, it'll give you all the information and stuff that you could possibly type in or need to know about command prompt. It's all right there. So just remember, CLS, clear screen, help. And then here's your directory of all your things you can do, like type these in, and it'll give you what to type in and what it does. So we can try one of these. Here, I'm gonna do IP config. Now, what IP config is it's an IP address configuration. It'll show you your it'll show not all of them, but IP addresses for your computer. So just type in IP config, all as one word, and then press enter. And see, the list is loading. And you have your Windows IP configuration, and see, if you're not connected to the internet, it'll look something like this: media disconnected or something like that. If you would like to see all the IP addresses, simply type IP config space /all, and it'll load and it'll show all of your IP addresses, all of them, from right here. Let's CLS. Another thing you can do, if you would like to change passwords or find out all the users on your computer, simply type in net space user, and then enter. And then it'll show you all of your owners or all of your people on your computer. If you want to change a password, like say I want to change the owner's password, all I would have to do is type in net user, and then after that, type in net user, you type in whichever person who gets on your computer, you type that in, and you type in whoever that person is. So I'm going to do net user owner, and then I'm going to do Shift 8. and see, it'll show me password, space star, and all that, and it'll show me all the options that I can change for this user. It's really cool because it doesn't work with every computer, but say your parents lock you out of their computer, or you get on and then you want to change your password, just get on the computer, net user, enter, find what their login is, net user space their name, and then star, and it'll show you their options you can change. So if you want to change your password, like right here, it'll tell you how to do it. Net user owner space star or shift 8, and then press enter, and it'll say type a new password for this user. So I could type in whatever password I want, and when you type in the password, it won't show up on the screen, but it's typing. And see, the command completed successfully. I changed the password for my thing, for my login. Okay, see, now there's a password on it. See, there originally wasn't a password, but now there is. Or you can actually delete their name. I'm pretty sure you can delete their name. And that's pretty cool too. Well, that's today's tutorial on TechNet tutorial, Microsoft command prompt, the basics, or basic commands or basic calls. Thank you for watching the tutorial.